Welcome to ECM 3.0. In this video, we are going to learn about the new features introduced with ECM 3.0. Concept of project comparison. In this view, it is possible to switch between work project and comparison project, now empty because no files have been uploaded. Click Browse on work project to select the original which needs to be modified. Select and open the original with needs to be modified. Filter the database and download the correct driver. Accept the driver. Proceed with modification. In the project description, it is possible to write information that can help identify the customers or vehicle which has been modified. In the mod description, it is possible, for example, to note down which maps were modified and what changed. To save the project with the new information, click Record. It is possible to export the modified file locally or leave it saved in your project database. Click Project in the section for the comparison project to browse previously saved work projects. Select the desired project and the associated modified file which will be used for comparison. Click Accept Mod to add the modified file to the comparison. It is possible to view the project side by side by setting the software window to full screen in the top right corner. To copy map in table view, open the desired map in the comparison project. Select the zone to copy and click the Ctrl+C combination on the keyboard. It is possible to copy only the percentage values of modification by switching the table view to increments. Open the corresponding map in the work project and select the starting point for the copied values. ECM 3.0 will keep in mind the size of the copied zone and will create a preview of what cells will be changed with the copied increments or values. Repeat this process for all the maps that need to be modified and saved. To copy a map in 2D graphics, open the desired map in the comparison project and click on the 2D graph window. Select the zone to copy by right-clicking the start and finish addresses. Select between copy data, copy changes, copy increments, copy percentage increments in the upper toolbar. Click Paste to associated address in the toolbar found in the center of the screen. The software will paste the copied zone to the associated address in the work project. In case two projects are not aligned, it is possible to align them with search function. After opening the desired modified map in the comparison project 2D graphics, it is possible to search for the same values in the work project. It is important to unlock constraint scrolling option to move each project individually and align them. To search, simply select a zone, which can also be found in the work project, a breakpoint for example, and click Search in the upper toolbar. After clicking Start, a list of all zones with the same values will be displayed. It will also be said if the search zone is part of a map and its address will be shown. When clicking one of the results, ECM 3.0 will align that zone to the selected starting address. It is now possible to lock constraint scrolling once again and copy-paste the desired modifications. Thank you for tuning. This was ECM 3.0.